Hi, this is Daniel DiTuro. Have you stopped eating fried fish due to gluten? In this video, I'll share two simple methods for preparing gluten-free fried fish. The simplest method is frying your fish fillets without any coating or breading. Season your fish with kosher or table salt. The only other ingredient is 1 tablespoon of avocado or other high-heat vegetable oil. Add the oil to your pan and preheat on medium to 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. My oil temperature is 354 degrees. If your oil is pooled in the middle or to one side, use the first fillet to coat the pan. Add the second fillet, cover, and fry 3 to 4 minutes. I'm frying the first side for 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, turn over the fillets and cook covered about 3 minutes or until fish flakes easily with a fork. My 6-ounce fillets cook down to about 5 ounces, providing 180 calories, about 310 milligrams of sodium, 0 carbohydrates, 0 fiber and sugar, and about 33 grams of protein. This sample fried fish meal has about 725 calories, 750 milligrams of sodium, 80 grams of carbohydrates with 16 grams of fiber, 20 grams of natural sugars, 0 added sugar, and 58 grams of protein. The second method replaces flour and breadcrumbs with cornstarch and cornmeal. I'm starting with 2 5-ounce whitefish fillets with a maximum thickness of about 3/4 inch. The remaining ingredients are 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of cornmeal, you can use either white or yellow, about 1/4 tablespoon of kosher salt, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning or other herbs and spices, black pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of avocado or other high-heat vegetable oil. You can season your fish with a variety of herbs and spices. There's no one correct way to prepare this recipe. If the surface of your fish fillets are dry, dampen with milk or water, draining off any excess. Reduce cleanup time by combining all dry ingredients in a large plastic bag. Add fish fillets to coating mix. Close the bag and gently shake to coat. This produces a light coating that will seal in moisture. And remember, coating adds calories. Add oil to pan and preheat to 360 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. My pan temperature is reading 370 degrees. Add the first fish fillet and use the pan or the fillet to coat the pan with oil. A uniform layer of oil is not necessary. Add the second fillet, cover, and fry the first side 3 to 4 minutes. After 3 to 4 minutes, turn over the fillets and cook the second side about 3 minutes covered or until fish flakes easily with a fork. Like all recipes, your actual cooking time will vary with fish thickness and pan temperature. My 5-ounce serving of fish fillet has only 15 calories more than a 3-ounce serving of battered pollock. It has more than twice the cholesterol because you're getting more fish and less coating. Like most home-cooked foods, it has significantly less sodium. More fish and less coating means fewer carbohydrates. In both cases, the amount of fiber is insignificant. What is significant is 2.5 times the protein. My sample meal of fried fish, corn, peas, and salad has 600 calories, about 350 milligrams of sodium, 59 grams of carbohydrates, 11 grams of fiber, 16 grams of sugar, 1 gram of added sugar from honey in the salad dressing, and 39 grams of protein. Please leave a comment if you have any questions about this video. Thank you for watching and healthy eating.